Navigating the world of investments can be daunting, but with the right tools, you can track your progress and make informed decisions. Let's dive into the top investment tracking tools perfect for beginners. First up is Personal Capital, a comprehensive financial management tool that offers robust investment tracking features. It allows you to link your accounts, providing a holistic view of your financial health. With its intuitive dashboard, you can monitor your portfolio's performance, analyze asset allocation, and even receive personalized investment advice. Next is Mint, a popular budgeting app that also offers basic investment tracking. By connecting your investment accounts, Mint provides an overview of your holdings and tracks your portfolio's value over time. While it may not offer advanced analytics, its user-friendly interface makes it a great starting point for beginners. Yahoo Finance is a well-established platform that offers a free portfolio tracker. You can manually add your investments or link your brokerage accounts to monitor real-time performance. With access to a wealth of financial news and data, it's a valuable resource for staying informed about market trends. Morningstar's Portfolio Manager allows you to track your investments and analyze your portfolio's performance. Known for its in-depth research and ratings, Morningstar provides tools to help you make informed investment decisions. While some features require a premium subscription, the free version offers substantial resources for beginners. Robinhood is not only a commission-free trading platform, but also offers basic portfolio tracking features. Its simple interface makes it easy for beginners to monitor their investments and execute trades seamlessly. However, it's important to note that more advanced analytics may require additional tools. Each of these investment tracking tools offers unique features tailored to beginners. Whether you're looking for comprehensive financial management or straightforward portfolio monitoring, there's an option here to suit your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and tutorials. Share your favorite investment tracking tools in the comments below.